What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I just wanted to share a little story. So a while back I was just like feeling discontent and not sure if I was in the right spot in life, and just all over the place. And then a few days ago I was just resting in God's presence, listening to worship music on my knees, and God just said, "I am greater than your decisions." And that's pretty much all he said. And I was just, he gave me so much peace in that. And I was just like, wow, like, he's greater than your decisions. He, like, whatever you're going through, or whatever, like, however you're feeling right now, if you're feeling like you're in the wrong spot in life, or discontent, or just not sure where to take the next step, or wherever you're at in life, God's just saying he's greater, and he's there for you, and he's the answer. He is literally the answer to all your problems. Like, he satisfies your soul. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Is I felt discontent, I felt lost, and just not sure where I wanted to go, to complete peace and just complete, like, contentment in where I was, and just God satisfying me, and just being like, you know what, you're good where you're at. Like, just be content where you're at. And he literally is all we need, and he's the answer. So this has been a journey for me. This How To's by Bros thing has been a journey for me, because I'm honestly pretty discouraged about not getting half as many views as we used to. It's been a journey. Like, let's say God is greater. Like, I wouldn't change it for anything if even one of you got impacted by the gospel, because ever since we turned this channel into the gospel, it's been a lot less views. And not like it's all about the views, but come on, like, you need money to survive. So, like, I was just discouraged about that, but I'm like, you know what, God is greater, and God is the answer. He is the answer. So, like, I would rather make an impact than be all about, like, all about the money, because making an impact is way more important than that. I mean, obviously you need money, but that's the goal. And is to live, like, my goal is to live like a fulfilling life, making an impact, and he's the answer. God bless, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I don't know where How To's by Bros is going. Who knows? I mean, I just try to get a video up there once a week, and I'm focused on a bunch of other things, but it's still on my heart to share with you guys whatever. And even if we're getting like barely any views, I'll still try to share. I mean, you know, so he is the answer. God bless.